just arrived at Gatwick Airport. I am officially moving to France. Excuse the eye bags, I'm literally shattered. It's literally 8 AM, but here we are. Let's go to France! Okay guys, I am officially in France right now. I had a very blissful flight. I can't believe I sat in row 1. I've literally only done that, that's my second time that I've sat in row 1. And I'm just here waiting for the estate agent basically to get my studio apartment. I'm so excited. But yeah, we'll give you a flat tour once I'm in, but just currently standing like an idiot with my bags. These bags have been very annoying, but it's also really, really hard to pack your life for 4 months into like 2 cases. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm in my new apartment and I'm honestly just, I can't believe this is actually happening. I was so nervous, I can't lie. Before today, I felt really like sad that I was leaving all my friends and my boyfriend and my family behind, but now I'm here, I'm literally so excited. This is insane. So it is a studio apartment, so it is smaller, but I'm gonna take you on a little tour. It is absolutely perfect, and to be honest, I'm just so excited to be here right now. Okay, so this is where you walk in, and this is the sofa bed. Obviously, I'm going to be having it as a bed while I'm here. There is kind of no point in having a sofa since I've got 2 lovely sofas over here. Got lots of storage up here and around. Got a little dining area, TV, other bookshelfy things. We'll get to the balcony. This is my lovely kitchen. Really good hob, got a toaster, got an oven, kettle, little view out there which I'll show you later, microwave, and let's go through here. Oh, little cute mirror, cute outfit. And this is my bathroom. Look how modern and fancy it is. I love it. I'm obsessed. And this is all mine. I'm so excited. But yeah, so I'm gonna unpack now all my stuff. And then I've got my first day of like uni tomorrow. I've got a little international students induction, so I'm going to be going to that and I'll take you along with me. And then yeah, I've got to like go sort out what the fuck I'm doing today. And yeah, excited. I decided I was actually quite hungry, so I've decided that I've gone to go get some food to make myself feel better, and then I'm going to do the unpacking then, and also my massive food shop that I really need to get done, but I also need to write a list for. So, but first things first, food. I'm at this really cute little square, just waiting for some pizza. Yeah, life is good. I've already seen where the boulangerie is. I'm ready for my baguette in the morning, so I'm super excited for that. Oh, it's all getting so exciting. So I'm back at the apartment now. I'm just literally packing my room away, and yeah, I've managed to clear both my suitcases into this wardrobe, which is so helpful. And I'm left with all this stuff, which I'm basically going to put up here. And yeah, I'm kind of getting a bit settled in now. I still need to do a supermarket shop, and I need to include stuff that like obviously you need to remember when you're entering a new home, like cleaning things. Luckily there's loads of toilet paper here, so don't need to buy that, and kitchen roll. I am still very excited, but I'm very tired now. I think the tiredness is kind of hitting me a bit. I just feel like suddenly like really pooped. So I'm hoping to get this done really quickly, and then quickly make my shopping list, and then head to the supermarket, and then yeah, and then I'll be able to chill, which will be really nice. So I did not make it out to the shop. I crashed. I needed to have a lie down, so I've gotten changed into my pajamas. It's now later at night. Oh my god, it's only 9:30. I literally could go to bed right now. Like, I'm that tired. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good night for my first night in France and my lovely apartment. Good night.